We already blew it up. I'm actually impressed with us on this one.
All we had to do was start it.
I'm honestly just pissed.
Imagine some kid spend all his money on this thing.
We didn't even drop this thing in the first gear.
This is why we're here testing it out for you guys. Oh my God. Oh Jesus! Holy shit! Oh my God! Holy crap!